वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. म्हणटा तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकीन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता तांबडी भाजी क्विक इन्स्टंट प्रेशर कुकरान. सो ह्यो जावन आसा 4 मुळी मतलब 4 bunches. ओके, आमी म्हणटा मुळे. सो 4 bunches ऑफ रेड स्पिनच, or you can say Amaranth also they say. So red spinach, we call it Tambdi Bhaji, Tambdi because it is red. And we need 2 tablespoons of Chana lentil, that is Chana dal, 2 tablespoons. I have soaked it, washed and soaked it. 1 of Kashmiri red chilli and 2 green chillies, and this is 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Then we will be adding some of half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Then we will be adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and we will add also half teaspoon of jeera and a little bit of mustard seeds. Then we will add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Then 2 onions and 2 tomatoes. So now what we have to do, you chop this not very fine, then I will show you after chopping, and this you chop it fine, and then I will show you how to cook it in pressure cooker in 2 whistles, and your vegetable is done. Now these vegetables, like especially like sometimes my mother wants to do something quick, or my daughter also wants to do quickly something, so I'm trying to get a quick recipes as possible. So let's chop this and then I will show you. So now this is all chopped, washed nicely. We'll add this all inside. So once the vegetable is cooked, this all will become very little. Anybody wants to cook with handi open pan, then you can, but this will save your time and save your electricity, and this is without oil, zero oil. I will put this dal, then we'll put our masalas as per spiciness. Everything is up to you. Okay, half teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half of whole cumin seeds, and half of mustard whole seeds. Then what we need is our chili, half only, just for the flavor. So this is all what we need. Then our chilies, coconut, salt to taste, later you can check again before serving. And we will add half cup of water, very little water here. We'll cover this and cook this for 2 whistles. Our sabji is ready. Medium flame, 2 whistles. Done. Easy, quick Tambdi Bhaji, Goan Tambdi Bhaji. Okay. Now let it cool down and then we will open and we will eat it. Here our vegetable is ready and now we have to mix this, check the salt and serve. Try this and you will know how delicious what I am saying is. No oil, just our vegetable and coconut. Check the dal. Yes, it is cooked. If salt is needed, add it. So I'll add salt because that time I had little. Okay, thank you.
Tasty Goan Tambdi Bhaji. Quick and easy without oil. Enjoy.